Hey, what is going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. This is Blake again, coming at y'all for another video. And I kind of got an update for you guys. So today is 4th of July. So, you know, gotta rep America somehow, you know, like we do every day anyway. But, you know, today is a special celebration. America's birthday, you know how it is. So I also brought the Mach 1 out. And as you guys can see, we got something special. So let's go ahead and check it out. I know you guys missed the Mach 1, so, you know, went ahead and left the lights on. I love that amber look. But yeah, guys, finally got the window tinted and I got the new stripes on. I finally stopped messing around and got them on, and it totally changed the whole look of the car. I mean, this thing looks so spectacular now. And I actually like these over the faded OEM. I know there's a lot of purists out there, and I'm also the same way, but I feel like certain things go with certain cars, like colors, wheels, body parts, etc. I feel like on a white Mach 1, I feel like the all black solid look, like just blacked out with the white, just looks so much better. And I've had a lot of people say they actually like that better. So really nice to get some compliments from that. But yeah, man, it looks so killer now. Let's do a little walk around. And of course, you guys definitely know that my favorite modification that I have done to this car, besides the motor, is the roof flag decal. This thing is so awesome, and I get compliments all the time. I've even had a few semi-truck drivers honk at me and give me the what's up on this car. So, you know, I gotta do a little bit of pull for them and whatnot. So it's just really cool. Hey, you know, there's some diehards out there like I know the rest of y'all are, so pretty cool. But that's not the only flag that I brought besides my shirt. I brought something else. Had to bring out my own flag, of course. God bless America, man. What better way to celebrate the 4th of July? You know, you rep with your shirt, you got your flag, you got your roof flag, and you got an American muscle car, pony car, wherever you want to say it, but you got a staple, you got a classic nameplate Mach 1, long history, you know, it's just, it's awesome, man. It truly is awesome. Now you guys missed this thing. Love that shaker, man. So yeah, guys, I figured I'd give you all kind of an update, you know, with the car. And, you know, I know I've been inactive again. It just, you know, unfortunately life is, for me, is just very inconsistent. So I just can't really get videos out as much as I would like to, but I'm really trying, guys. And, you know, definitely got a really good update on the car. Like I said, y'all saw the flag and the roof y'all saw the window tint and the new side decals, which really transformed the look of the car. I mean, this thing is a looker. It's awesome. And I also got an update on the 97 Cobra. So the rear brakes, the right rear brake, actually the rear caliper was seized, and I'll show y'all. One pad was completely gone and the other one actually was like half. It was uneven wear, so I couldn't even use the caliper tool to push that thing in. It's that screw type of caliper. I couldn't even push it. It was done. Barely any pad left on one that's uneven, and no pad at all on this one. Nice. Went ahead, found out that caliper is seized, so gotta be a new one. And boy, look at that. You know, that's never been cleaned probably ever. ABS wheel, or ABS sensor I meant, but good Lord almighty. So yeah, I'm gonna clean that off too. Also gonna clean inside of here. She's gonna be looking really nice. Looking forward to it. So I had to order a new new caliper. So I went ahead and been putting that on, but it's been raining so much here in Florida, I ain't been able to freaking finish. I went ahead and I was able to clean up that whole rear end, that whole wheel well area. So I got the shot cleaned, I got the wheel well cleaned up, cleaned off the caliper, and I went ahead and repainted that. I went ahead and put it all back together. It's all bolted up, tightened down. I just need to be able to I got to get that other side done. And then I also have both rear wheel tire letters cleaned, freshened up, good to go. I need to do the fronts, and I'm also going to buff out the car. And I have new headlights and LED bulbs that I've purchased for the 97 because I haven't been able to see in that car for 15 years. It's been so, I don't know how I'm not going to say it, but it's been really, really good that she's been taken care of and whatnot. But she should be a looker, man, by the time I get done. I'm really excited. I really wish that the weather holds up. But today was a special day. I wanted to go ahead and get this video out for you guys. And, I know you guys missed the Mach, so I figured I would make a little video on it. So this guy in his Pontiac that's up my butt right now. He flew up on me, I didn't even see him. Irritate people. It's always the Dodge guys too. Y'all ever notice that? It's always Dodge guys and big old Dodge trucks that think they're all the fastest things in the world. Oh, there he goes. There's our buddy. Oh, you had to haul to get to the gas station. Oh, okay. All right, that makes sense. Alright guys, just made it back home. Don't worry, no Dodge Rams were harmed in the making of this video. But as you can see over here, so yeah, you know, everything's all buttoned up. Caliper looks really nice, and I went ahead and cleaned the shock and I cleaned the spring up a little bit. Yeah, that's pretty much it guys. Like I said, the wheels are inside, they're all cleaned up. I got the tire letters fixed and cleaned. And this side, I got to go down to AutoZone to rent out the tool and go ahead and hammer this side out. And she'll be ready to go. But here's a little sneak peek at the fog lights and the new headlights. The car is completely filthy, so ignore her guys. She'll get a nice buff job, but brand new fog lights too. All LED conversion guys, so I cannot be more excited to see how this thing turns out on the road. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. You got to see her run a little bit, and y'all got to see the new decals on her, new tint. So she is looking mighty fine. If you guys like this little update video, please drop a like and subscribe. It really means a lot to me. I know a lot of you guys that have seen the channel and y'all that have stayed the longest, you know, y'all really do support me as I like the cars. So I really appreciate that. It means a lot to me. So just bear with me guys. I'm trying to hammer some content out and get these cars ready for a couple of shows that are coming up, and I got a couple of ideas of what to do with them. And I need to go hang out with my boys. I need to go hang out with Andrew and see how he's doing with the Shelby, and need to fill you guys in on what's going on with the homeboys. So I got a lot to do, and I'm doing my best to try and make that happen for you guys. So again, I appreciate you guys, and enjoy your 4th of July. Thanks everybody.